Did you know that the yellow on the yellowfin surgeonfish changes? Hi, I'm Brandon, and welcome to Nature Meets Paper, the place where we go on an adventure to discover the world of marine biology. Today we're going to be learning about the yellowfin surgeonfish. Are you ready? Let's dive in. The yellowfin surgeonfish is found in waters from East Africa to Japan, Hawaii, along the west coast of the US, and as far as Panama. It can live in waters from 5 to 90 meters deep. This is a warm water fish that can tolerate cooler water for periods of time. On average, you can find it in water from 75 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. The yellowfin surgeonfish is typically a reef fish, but also lives near continental shelves, where deep water means shallow water. So, what does it look like? The yellow surgeonfish has distinct forms when it is a juvenile to when it is an adult. They look so different that scientists thought they were two distinct species. It wasn't until some were observed in captivity did they observe the shift in forms. Juvenile fish are brightly colored, then fade as they get older. They have bright yellow pectoral fins, caudal peduncle, and spot above or covering the eye. The yellow spot around the eye stays the same, but the yellow on the pectoral fin shifts to the outer third of the fin. The yellow caudal peduncle turns to a blue or purple. Their body ranges from a light purple-gray, blue, to green-brown. It is a strange mix of colors that isn't just one solid color. Yellowfin surgeonfish can reach lengths up to 27 inches or 70 centimeters. They have a flat disc body shape, with 9 or 8 dorsal spines followed by soft rays. So, do you remember what advantages go with having a disc body? I'll give you a second to think about it. A disc body is great for maneuverability in the reef. What do the yellowfin surgeonfish eat? They are omnivores, but primarily eat diatoms, detritus film on the sand, hydroid, and algae. They will eat flakes in aquariums. They survive best when in the wild, but large public aquariums can house them. The IUCN Red List has them listed as least concern. Their populations are stable in the wild. Yellowfin surgeonfish are also one of the only surgeonfish to take bait when fishing. It is easiest to go spearfishing, but you can catch one with rod and reel. Alright, it is personal story time. This fish was seen at the Maui Ocean Center. It is in the mid-reef section of the aquarium. The fun thing about doing this for you is that I can learn new things and share with you. I didn't know what kind of fish this was when I was at the aquarium. I just like taking pictures and seeing what I can capture. Turns out, this fish was in a tank swimming back and forth near the glass. I loved the patterns and colors of the fish and thought it would make a great subject for these videos. So, it turns out that I was looking at the yellowfin surgeonfish. I didn't spend much time watching it because I get distracted easily with fish. I just love the oceans and their creatures. I will call this adventure finished. Thanks so much for going on this adventure with me. It means so much that you take time to watch this video to discover something new. Thanks for also being an active member of this community by leaving likes, comments, shares, and subscribing. Every little bit helps. I love hearing your stories down below. Remember, share your discoveries and adventures with a friend. I've been Brandon, and I will see you in our next adventure.